Okay, now you want to hold Mr. Thirsty? Okay, I'll show you. It's a funny straw. Put it in your mouth and suck on it. Is that funny?
It's thirsty.
On his lips. Okay, now this is my toothpaste, bubblegum toothpaste. Okay?
What's the bubblegum toothpaste for?
This is a bubblegum toothpaste to brush your teeth. Okay, ready? Sun tickle. Ready? Oh my God, look how beautiful they're getting already. Okay, now suckle Mr. Thirsty. Suckle Mr. Thirsty. Put Mr. Thirsty in your mouth and suck. Okay, let's see bottom teeth.
Is it alright for her to play with that shell?
Yeah.
It's a button.
Yeah, buttons.
Oh.
Don't push the
Oh
button.
my God, his teeth are coming so clean. Suckle Mr. Thirsty again. Oh, I can see Evan's maturing.
Yes.
Right before our eyes. Here's a grab bag. Okay. Thank you very much. I'll make sure they know it's from you. Suckle Mr. Thirsty.
Shell. Shell.
Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.
Okay, suckle Mr. Thirsty.
Why do you call it Mr. Thirsty all the time?
Because it likes to drink water out of your mouth.
Button.
Okay, open up. Let me put this cotton here to keep everything from getting all wet.
Sydney, no, Sydney. No.
Give her a mirror.
Oh.
I think Evan likes this, huh? You like this? Okay, now, I want to clean them a little better with this tool here. You want to look at Sydney? I'm going to clean these teeth here a little better with my instrument. Okay. Sydney!
Sydney, no.
Sydney's going to be a dentist when she grows up.
Sydney's going to be a dentist.
See, this is my instrument. It scrapes some of the brown stuff off your teeth. Okay, Evan?
Why not put the cash box away, please?
Okay. Have a good time tonight.
Thank you.
Win a lot of money.
Okay, I'm going to try. Enough to retire?
Not that much.
Did Sydney eat the toothpaste?
Yeah. Evan is so good. You like this, Ev? He likes it. I'm going to come here a lot to get your teeth cleaned. I think next time we could do filling on his front teeth. He's so good.
You're a good boy, Ev.
I know. We'll have to get him something. Alice got you something.
What?
Alice got you something.
You heard that.
You'll see.
You heard that.
Alice got you and Sydney something. Okay, let me do the other side. Open up. Your teeth look so much whiter.
You have to look in the mirror after you're done.
Sydney, you'll have to...
Sydney, play with...
Oh, you're biting my finger. Okay, let's go over them one more time with the toothpaste.
More bubble gum?
Sydney's next.
Sydney, you're next.
Put it on here, see?
What's it for?
It's toothpaste. You like toothpaste? Wait, let me hold your tongue back. Okay. Ready?
Lie down, Sydney.
Tickle. Tickle, tickle. Ah, my finger. Don't bite my finger. What's the matter? You miss Mr. Thirsty?
I rest all my teeth I have it.
Okay, let me check. Where's my mirror? I'll get another one.
Suck on Mr. Thirsty, Ev. Suck on
You're
Mr.
next.
Thirsty.
Okay, I'm going to put the mirror in your mouth and check in the light. Okay, open up real big.
Put the glasses down, too.
Open up real big.
Sit down, Sydney. Sit. Lie down, Sydney. Sit. Sit, Sydney. That's the water.
What?
Open up real big. I'm cleaning your tooth back here. Sydney, I don't need that anymore.
Why?
Because I don't need it. Open up real big because we're doing the back teeth, and then you're going to be finished. Open bigger so it fits. Okay, let's do the bottom. Who's Mr. Thirsty?
You're doing real good,
Okay,
Ed.
open up real big. Real big.
Going for a ride.
For what?
Get up on your knees. Wait.
Lie down, Sydney.
How come? How come?
No.
What's that?
Spin it. Spin it in the sink.
What's that?
Right, Ed.
You spin the hole.
Yeah, okay, in the hall. Well, let's see how beautiful your teeth look. Sydney put the glasses on.
Okay, lie down, Sydney.
Okay, let me see your teeth now. Put it back up here.
Good girl.
Gorgeous. Let's show Daddy. Now get down and sit. Okay,
What?
open your teeth. I'm going to clean.
Yeah, it tickles.
Hey, you want to do a
It
little more?
tickles.
She has some water in there, so when she's done, she can drink.
I think that's enough. She's not ready yet. Oh, you like Mr. Thirsty, huh?
You want one more bubble gum?
Okay.
No, Nick, you're telling her bubble gum. It's toothpaste.
Welcome.
Yeah, she likes it.
Well, then lay down and we'll do more bubble gum.
Lay down, she'll do more.
Lay
Sydney,
down.
lie down.
I'm going to get Daddy.
Yeah, she's
Okay, lie
eating.
down.
I'm not going to push her. Oh, she's eating.
Yes.
I like when you brush my teeth.
That's enough. Now we got more
Mommy?
stuff. You like it?
Mommy, I like when you brush my teeth.
Smile up.
Show your teeth real wide.
Real wide.
Wait, let's put the light on.
How come? How come?
Good.